Hello. In this video, I will be opening two packages. I am not certain about what item arrived since I ordered 3 items and I received 2 packages. One package should have 2 items and one package should have 1. So the items I ordered were one Raspberry Pi camera module V2 8 megapixel and an extension cable, a ribbon that's much longer than the standard ribbon of 6 inches. This one is the cable should be about 2 meters, and application 2 micro SD card that should be 128 gigabytes. It should be one of the for the price, it should be one of the best that I can use with the Raspberry Pi. So I've been ordering components and parts so I can assemble my mobile manipulator, which I named JOHNN-E-B. Okay, so I'll just pick a package and open it up and see the contents. First package to open, and that is actually the Raspberry Pi camera module. So this is the box. Sometimes it's not easy to read the fine print and detail on the camera, but let's open it up and see. I was expecting this item to arrive with the ribbon because they're organized. I bought these items from Amazon, and I was informed that they were in one shipment, but this is in a shipment by itself. Oh, okay, so here's something. I have never used a Raspberry Pi camera before, so I don't know what this is right now. And this is in a static proof bag. I looked at the video and I did not touch something like the water pipes or anything to discharge any static that I may have. So this is a static proof bag and I don't want to touch it. But it has the short ribbon cable connected, which I will remove and attach the long 2-meter cable so I can place my camera easily on the mobile manipulator, and not be too concerned about my Raspberry Pi being outside of the enclosure of safety. Okay, so now I'll open up this package. And in this package, this is the cable. I don't know if it's the cable. It's a Raspberry Pi camera flex cable. Yeah, this is it. This is the cable, and this is the micro SD card with an adapter. And this is a 128 gigabyte A2. I believe this is a inside the U. There's a 3 video 30. So it's supposed to be a very good. It's the extreme, so it should be an outstanding SD card for applications 4K and videos. All right, so this is the fine print, which I can't even read without using magnifying glasses. But let me check out the extension cable. It's supposed to be 2 meters. Oh wow, it is. It's just wounded up. All right, this is cool, and this was actually cheap. It was, to me, $8 is not much to install the camera in the exterior of the robot and keep the Raspberry Pi controller within the safety body of the robot inside JOHNN-E-B. All right, so that's unboxing or unpacking my components that I am going to use for my mobile manipulator. Thank you for watching.